everyone, it's Erin Flotto here, and I wanted to start off by saying that I am really sorry. This is not the video that I intended to do today, but unfortunately I've been pretty sick this week. My fiance and I thought we had food poisoning, and it actually turned out to be the flu. And I, of course, got it worse than him with a fever. So I've been in bed this entire week, just feeling like I got ran over by a Mack truck. I couldn't move my body. My muscles and joints were just so sore. So this video today is going to be more of an updates video, what you can expect to see over the next few weeks, and an introduction into my wedding bullet journal. So originally I was going to do my hand lettering part 2 video, which is going to be about composition and combining different lettering styles. But honestly, my energy level is just still so low that every time I try to letter, my hand is really shaky. And since the phrases I was gonna letter for that video were going to be given as downloadable freebies, it really didn't feel fair not to give you my best work. So I ultimately decided to push that off for a few weeks, and then next week is going to be my February plan with me video, and then the hand lettering part 2 the following week. So my February plan with me, on my Instagram stories, the winner for the poll for my theme is otters. And I wanted to do a theme that was indirectly Valentine's Day oriented and lovey-dovey and everything like that. So I put to a poll a few animal species that are either known for mating for life or have been captured doing romantic things and lovey things and things like that. So sea otters, as some of you might know, hold hands while they're sleeping. And a lot of people actually think that it is the couples that hold hands, but it's actually a mom and her pup, which is so cute. And actually the pups have also been known for sleeping on the mother when their hands are too small to hold hands, and oh my gosh, it gave me little butterflies. So I put that as a poll option. Emperor penguins I think came in second, so I might sneak those into a theme somewhere, but ultimately the otter is going to be the main source of my theme. So I've already been sketching out ideas for that. Then the hand lettering part 2 video that I mentioned. And I also have a mistakes video that was requested that I've been brainstorming for. So all of these ideas have come from comments in these videos or on Instagram and things like that. So please let me know what you want to see, and I will definitely make it happen. This channel is still pretty small that I can adapt to whatever you guys want in the comments. And I'm really excited about that because I really love working with the community and I really love getting input from you guys. So let me know in the comments things that you want to see, and I will make that happen. So to switch gears a little bit and to keep that lovey-dovey theme, I wanted to introduce my wedding planner bullet journal. So this is a Periwinkle blue bullet journal from Scribbles That Matter, because you know, at the heart of it, I'm always a Scribbles That Matter girl. And I decided to go with the pro version because I'm probably going to put maybe in gold or some color on the front a quote or I don't know, something in a vinyl sticker to kind of complete the look for my wedding bullet journal. So I've just begun this wedding bullet journal because I just got engaged a couple weeks ago. So I'm not going to have a full video or something that is really even maybe helpful to everyone yet. But while I'm going to go through this process, I'm planning on keeping a blog for updates in this bullet journal that might be helpful for people. So that's going to be at my website, erinflottodesigns.com/blog. I always have those links in the description of my video if you ever want to check it out. So I'm going to be showing off ideas and how I'm organizing my wedding bullet journal. I'm really sorry about these sounds. My cats are just really excited, apparently, as I am, about me getting married. So I'm going to be doing a video at some point when I start getting more into the actual planning. But at this stage, my fiance and I are planning to have the wedding sometime in spring 2019. So since we're over a year away and we're just talking generalizations and beginning to look at venues and stuff, I don't really have a lot here that will be helpful for people that are maybe a little bit farther along in their wedding preparations. So today I'm going to introduce you to the notebook that I've set up, and I've included, oh, and there's the puppy. So I'm going to go through the setup, and for anyone that has been through this process and has words of wisdom or anything like that, I'd love to hear what you found was most helpful. So please include those in the comments below, anything that you think would be helpful for me. So this is me and my fiance, and that's the email address that we set up specifically for wedding related things. I haven't filled in any of this stuff yet because I'm still a little not sure how I'm going to handle the bullet journaling, color codes, and things like that. So I've started off with this washi tape idea. So I have most of my general categories laid out: stationery, financial, beauty and attire, appointments and to-do, guest list seating, ceremony and receptions, vendors, honeymoon, and inspiration. And I've used these washi tape to categorize them, which most of these washi tape, 9 of them were included in this Create 365 pack. And then an additional 3 of them, I think this one, and I think these 2. I think these 3 were in another pack from Michael's. So I'm using these washi tape to do this categorization, and they're also bookmarking. So for example, this is a page about venues. So as you can see, it lines up with the venues tab. That way it's not only categorized by the look and color of the washi tape, but also where on the page. So that's how I've decided to set it up. And of course, you guys know me, I always have to have my little quote pages. If I know what love is, it is because of you. So a lot of these things are going to be very cutesy, of course. And I like the idea of this. I just took this from the back page, as you can see, 201, and I've connected it with washi tape because when I'm open to certain pages, I can see where I need to bookmark. So that's a really helpful tool that I've found, and I'm really excited that I did that. I think that's going to really help for the future. Of course, I have to have like our names. So I just lettered when we first met, dating, proposal, wedding, and then I have forever as the last part. But as the dates happen, I'm going to be filling it in. We don't have a wedding date yet, so I can't fill that in yet. So this was my spread that I did before I created this. I was just kind of brainstorming about things to include, and then I got the idea for the washi tape. So I started it off there. Because this one, I've kind of filled up most of it, I can always add to here and then make some room. So this is one of the things that I saw that was really helpful for people, is this general timeline from 12 months to 10 months, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 day, and then wedding day. So these are, I think I found this on Pinterest or something like that. I just have a general timeline here, and that's something that maybe when I get to 10 months out from the date, you know, I have an entire page, and then create it as a to-do list and mark it as an appointments plus to-do with this washi tape. So that's my general plan for the timeline. And then I've just been looking into different types of venues and stuff like that. And when we narrow down a short list, I'll probably do an entire page per venue, and I'll leave a section for notes for if we go to visit it or something like that. So that's just my wedding bullet journal in general. Yeah, that's kind of it so far. Again, we're really early in the planning process. It's still pretty new. You know, we have well over a year away from an actual wedding, so I'm not worried at all. Some people asked me why I included this stationery, because they were like, oh, I promise, like, you're just going to go online and just like pick one. But I am actually a calligrapher and letterer, obviously. So stationery and signage and everything like that is a super important thing for me that, you know, I'm going to be taking care of most of it. And for any of you that have recently been engaged, I just got this from Minted Weddings, where you can go ahead and get different samples. They show you, oh, these are all the colors that you can do. This is the pattern that can be on the back. This is what it would look like with an invitation and an RSVP. And this was all free. It's up to $10, so I think I got 8 or 9 of them, because I got one that was shiny. So this one cost a little bit more. So, I mean, I just went online and I saw ones that I liked. What I really like about it is that it comes with the paper types, and I got to see how my calligraphy would look on each of them, and how I like the paper for the calligraphy, because I'm still toying with the idea of using like a general invitation and then doing my own calligraphy on it. I'm still toying around with a lot of different ideas, but it was really cool getting this huge package, because it gave me tons of ideas also. This all came with it, that you can do custom, that this is services that we provide. It goes into wedding websites. You can look at different types of formats that they have, and the envelopes for them, the different types of fonts that are available, and the color options, and then different other looks that you can do that I hadn't really thought of when it comes to wedding signage and things like that. So that all came all for free from Minted Weddings. So I'll link that in the description, so that if you are doing any of this wedding planning, you can go ahead and check it out and see what you like. And that's not sponsored at all. I just thought it was a really cool service that I looked into. And I hope that this video isn't a bummer for you guys. I know that it's kind of frustrating not having a video that's helpful, but honestly, I wasn't up for it today. So, and as you can see, as this video goes on, my voice is getting a little bit more hoarse as it goes on, and my energy level has dropped pretty dramatically. So thank you all for sticking in with me. Again, I'll have the blog up soon about the the wedding bullet journal, and next week's video will be my February plan with me. So I hope you'll stick with us till then, and if you can't wait to see it, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, all of that cool jazz, so that you can know when I'll post next week, which is next Friday. So have a great one, everyone. Thank you so much.